solve the development of lateral surfaces of solids using AutoCAD software. First we'll go to limits, specify lower left corner 0, 0, type 297, 210, then zoom all, then switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode. Command is line, specify lower left corner of the sheet on the screen and click on the first button of the mouse and drag the mouse towards the right side and take some distance and click on first button of the mouse and take the cursor to the top side and take some distance and click on first button of the mouse, then go to enter, then go to offset, type the dimension as 297, select this vertical line and offset to the left side, then offset, take the distance as 210, select the horizontal line and offset to the top side, then go to zoom extent and zoom 0.6x, then go to fillet, select this vertical line and this horizontal line, select this vertical line and horizontal line, select this horizontal line and this vertical line, then go to zoom window, select this, then go to the text tab, specify start point of text, select some point, take the height as 4, rotation angle is 0, type the problem number 220, then go to develop the lateral surface of the cylinder of 40 mm diameter and height 60 mm, which is cut in the following way. Then go to previous, so here, then go to layer, go to new, click on new, type the layer by name XY, then click on new, type the layer by name views, then here, then click on then here layer 0, click on the line weight, make it as 0.05 and say OK, click on layer XY default as 0.13 and say OK, then you come down to views, click on layer, then go to 0.5 and say OK, and finally you close this, then close this, then go to close this, then you just come down to circle command, so draw a circle of diameter 40, then go to move, select this, move it here, then go to line, take the horizontal line here, and then go to offset, take the distance as 60, select this line and go to line, take quadrant of this and perpendicular to this, perpendicular to this, then quadrant of this, then perpendicular to this, then here, then go to fillet between these two, fillet between these two, then go to line, take center of this, take quadrant of this, then go to array, select this, take a polar base point center of this, take the number of items 12, then exit, then here, then go to zoom window, then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this, then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this, then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this, then go to mirror, select this and mirror with reference to this line, then go to erase, erase this, then go to extend this line till here. So this is how we can divide into 12 equal points of the circle. Then go to line, take int of this at the rate, take 100 less than 45 degree, sorry, 100 at the rate 100 less than minus 45, then go to line, take int of this, take at the rate 100 less than 30 degree, so it becomes go to fillet between these two, then go to line, then go to trim this line till here, then go to line, take int of this, take at the rate 100 less than 30. Once you do that, then go to trim, select this and select this. Now we will break this line till here, int of this, and similarly break this line first point int of this and say at the rate, then break first point int of this and say at the rate, then break first point int of this and say at the rate, then break first point int of this and say at the rate. So this is how you will be breaking all these lines. Now we'll go for this, then this, then this, then this, then this. Just go to ch and you click on this, go to layer, make this as views, and then switch on the layer display. Then go to zoom previous, then go to copy, select this entire thing and copy this here, then go to erase these lines, then go to fillet between this and this, then between this and this. So once you do that, now we will going to have the other things here. Now first we're going to keep it here, then go to ortho mode, keep it this, then go to ortho on down here, then go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line, take line, take in point of this and draw a horizontal line, and go to line, take nearest point on this and go to perpendicular to this, and go to offset, take 125.66, then you select this and offset here, then go to fillet between these two, then fillet between these two, then go to move, select this entire thing, then move this side, then go to offset, take 125.66, gives front slash 125.66 divided by 12 and say close, then go to 10.4717. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. Then go to this. Now here we'll take a line int of this and draw perpendicular to this, then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this, then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this, then go to line, take int of this, draw perpendicular to this, then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this, then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this, then go to line, take int of this, take intersection point of this, take int 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 of this, and here intersection point of this, take int 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 of this. Once you do that, then go to p-edit, select this line and join into this. So here join this entire thing and make it as a single one. Then go to p-edit, select this, make it as a fit curve. Once you do that, then you select this line, then you select this, make this as layer, make it as views. Once you do that, then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this, then line int of this and draw perpendicular to this, then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this, here this, okay, then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this, then go to line, then just close this, then here it is there, then go to line, take int of this and you come down to this point, then here perpendicular to this, so here, then go to line, take int of this, take intersection point of this, take int of this, then zoom previous, then go to zoom in int of this, take intersection point of this, then you take int of this here, then you take int of this, then you take int of this, take int of this, then you take int of this, take int of this, take int of this, take int of this, take end of this, take end of this. So here, then go to zoom previous, then go to line, take int of this, take int of this. Once you do get, then you just go to this line, go to p edit, select this line, join, select this entire thing and make it a single, then go to p edit, select this and make it as a fit curve, then you select this line, then you then you select this, then you select this and you select this and go to ch, go to layer, make this as views, and then you come down to zoom previous, then go to the text. Here you write development, then here you mark this as A, B, C, D, then E, F, G, then K, then A, then here you mark this as here you mark this as small a, small d, small g, small k, then here you have a dash, here you have d dash, here you have k dash in bracket, here you have g dash, then here you have 1 dash, here you have 2 dash, here you have 3 dash, here you have 4 dash, here you have 5 dash, here you have 6 dash, this is 7 dash, then here 8 dash, then here dash in bracket, then here you have 10 dash in bracket, then here you have 11 dash in bracket, then here you have 12 dash in bracket, then here you have 13 dash, then 14 dash, 14, then 15 dash, then 16 dash, then 17 dash, then 18 dash, then 19 dash, then 20 dash in bracket, then 21 dash in bracket, then 22 dash in bracket, then 23 dash in bracket, then 24 dash in bracket. Then you come down to this, mark this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then you take 8, 9, you take 10, then you take 11, then you take 12, then you take 1, then you take 13, 14, 15, then 16, then 17, then 18, then 19, then 20, then 21, then 22, 23, 24, and then 13. Once you do that, you're going to have capital X, capital VP, capital HP, and capital Y. And that's all. Then go to zoom previous. Now we'll go to DDIM, go to modify, select primary units as second, and go to text, type 4, align with the dimension line, center becomes above, take this as 3, go to symbols and arrows, take the arrow size as 4, then go to lines, take offset from the origin as 3, say close. Now here you just come down to this and go to dim vertical, take nearest point on this and take perpendicular to this. So here you take nearest point on this, take perpendicular to this, and go to text, type 60, and you type it here, then go to break this line till here, and go to erase, then fillet between these two, and go to dim horizontal, take quadrant of this and quadrant of this, and here type text, type percentage C40, then you select this, then dim angular, select between this line and this line, you're going to take 30, dim TED, select this line, take 30 degree, dim angular, select between this line and this line, you take it as 45 degree, and dim angular, select between this line and this line, you take this dimension as 60 degrees, then go to zoom window, then go to dim TED, select this and you take it as 45 degrees, then go zoom previous, then go to move, select this entire thing, then move it here, then you place it here, and then dim horizontal, select this line, take this dimension as text, percentage C40, then you keep it here, then dim angular, select between this line and this line, take this angle as 45, then go to dim TED, select this and keep it here, and dim angular, select between these two, and dim angular, select between this line and this line, we want to take it as 60 degrees, then dim TED, select this angle 60 degrees, dim angular, select between this line and this line, so we're going to get it as 30 degrees, and dim TED, select this and keep it here, and then dim vertical, take INT of this, take intersection part of this, and here type text, type 60, and you just press enter, then go to line, select this horizontal, put auto mode on, take this, and this will going to be the actual figure which I need to construct. Into this we need to do the development. Now this is how we will be able to draw the drawing. Now we need to move appropriately, then go to move, select this entire thing, then move this somewhere here, then go to zoom window, then go to extend, select this line, extend this XY line, and go to break, select this, and go to move, select X and keep VP, and then HP, then Y, then go to move, select A, select D, select K, select G, then A dash, then D dash, then K dash, then G dash, then Y, then 1 dash, then 2 dash, then 3 dash, then 4 dash, move 12 dash, then 11 dash, then 4 dash, then 10 dash, then 5 dash, then 9 dash, then 6 dash, then 7 dash, then you take 8 dash, then go to the window, select this, then go to move, take 13, then 24, then 14 dash, then 23 dash, then 15 dash, then 16 dash, then 22 dash, then 17 dash, then 21 dash, then 18 dash, then 20 dash, then 19 dash, then zoom previous, then yes, then go to zoom previous, then go to zoom window, select this entire thing, then go to move, take A, take D, take G, take K and move A, then here 13, then 14, then 15, then 16, then 17, then 18, then 19, then 20, then 21, then 22, then 23, then 24, then 13, and you take this 13 here. Then similarly you take 1, you take 2, take 3, move 3, then move 4, move 5, move 6, move 7, move 8, move 9, move 10, move 11, move 12, move 12, move 1. Then go to dim horizontal, take INT of this, take INT of this, and give the dimension as 125.66. So this is how you will be able to create this drawing. And finally you just go to save, go to appropriate directory, then AutoCAD, go to development drawing, type P220 and save it, and finally you exit the AutoCAD.